Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. If you are tired of spending hours searching for high quality teaching resources, I have got something exciting for you. Today I am sharing an amazing free website with over 37,000 plus ready to use worksheets, games, hands-on activities and even arts and crafts. All resources are organized by grade from pre-K to grade 8. Plus, it even has a worksheet generator, summer boost packs, and STEM challenges to make lesson planning a breeze. And don't worry, I will drop the link in the description so you can check it out right away. So let's explore this teacher's gold mine together. So you can see on the screen, you need to sign up first. Select I am a teacher and you can use your Google ID to sign up. So once you sign in, you can see this interface on your screen. You can select a subject from here. You can see the subcategories of subjects as well. You can select grades here. Similarly, ready-made worksheets, interactive games. You can build your own worksheet here and you can explore more resources. And there are recommendations, summer boost and STEM challenge. Similarly, there are lesson plans, workbook, weekly boost, guided lesson, worksheet generator, common core, skill page, and block. So it is full of resources. So for games, you can select any grade. You can see the ready-made games are here. They are very interactive, so you can select any game and you can play with your students.
Let's have a race. First, choose your character. Set, go!
Solve for the variable.
You can assign this game to your students as well. So you can see there are ready-made worksheets are here. You can filter your resource according to your requirement. So you can generate your worksheet. Let's try generation one small worksheet. So I'm trying for multiplication. You can add the number of digits according to your requirement. You can select orientation, select the number of problems and just click create. Boom. You can see here the worksheet has been generated. You can simply download it from here. Similarly, you can explore some resources. You can see here there are a lot of hands-on activities are available. And summer boost is here. So you can practice, play and prepare. You can see the grades are available. You can select any grade and choose your summer boost. A very interesting option is a STEM challenge. There are simple steps to enter this challenge. You can give it to your students. They can choose their project and you can create a ready-made certificates for them. I'm writing here my student and just click download. Similarly, you can see here there are some guided lessons and printable, shareable workbooks as well. Wow, there are a lot of workbooks available. So you can see a lot of colorful workbooks you can share with your students or you can print them. Similarly, ready-made lesson plans which is created by the expert teachers. You can select from the given resources. There are a lot of ready-made lesson plans are available here. Similarly, guided lessons are available here. There is a skill page as well where you can find new strategies according to the grade and according to the skill. It's animated, fun-based.
Type any letter to begin.
So there are 37,000 plus resources are available free of cost. You can also upgrade for more content. So I tried this platform and found it extremely useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.